Welcome to ATC Landscape, your local, professional, and reliable landscape maintenance and gardening team. We've been in business since 2007. We provide our services for residential strata complexes, both townhouses and condo buildings, commercial businesses, as well as residential homeowners. We specialize in lawn cutting and edging, trimming and pruning of cedar hedges, plants and shrubs, garden bed work. We blow the walkways, make sure everything's cleaned up. We come with a trailer, and we ensure a full cleanup and disposal. We are based in Port Coquitlam. We do provide services in Coquitlam, Port Moody, as well as Pitt, Meadows, and Maple Ridge. We're very much part of the community. We hire local employees. We also have local suppliers where we buy our equipment and tools, as well as our materials. We sponsor local teams and events. We're a member of the Tri-Cities Chamber of Commerce, the Better Business Bureau, the BC Landscape and Nursery Association. We have professional equipment in Honda lawnmowers and still trimmers and blowers that we're used in a safe and professional manner. We answer all phone calls, emails in a timely fashion. We provide trained and knowledgeable employees with outstanding customer service. It's very important for us not only to know the skills, knowledge, and ability when being on site, but also being able to talk to the customer, answer any questions, comments, concerns. One thing we do promise, we show up on time as quoted. That's the ATC Landscape Guarantee. We meet every morning as a team to go over a plan for the day. Our equipment, trucks, trailers are all maintained, so when we show up, we're ready to go. Our staff are distinguished by our ATC Landscape shirts. Our vehicles have the ATC signage on it, so you know when we show up. ATC Landscape, your local, professional, and reliable landscape maintenance and gardening team.